So everyone talks about Fitgirl Repacks. Gamers swear by it. But what actually is it? Is it safe? Is it legal? I did the research, and here's the real truth about Fitgirl Repacks. Fitgirl Repacks is a website that distributes compressed, repackaged video games. The games are already pirated, and Fitgirl takes those pirated files and compresses them using advanced technology to make them smaller, like going from 150 gigabytes to 30 gigabytes. Then people download them via torrent. That's the basic reality. Here's what's technically interesting: the compression actually works. Games load properly, performance is fine. The repacking process itself is skillfully done. If you download from the official Fitgirl site, the files are generally safe from malware. That part is legit. The technical execution is solid. But here's where it gets real. First, this is piracy. These are copyrighted games being distributed illegally. Every country, US, UK, Germany, Canada, Australia, has laws against this. Downloading them is technically illegal, even if you don't get caught. Second, fake Fitgirl sites exist everywhere. Scammers use the name to spread malware. If you go to the wrong mirror site, you're getting Trojans, keyloggers, and crypto miners. Third, torrenting leaves a digital footprint. ISPs can see it. Some people get copyright notices or legal warnings. So is Fitgirl Repack legit? Technically, yes. The site works, and the files are usually safe if you use the official domain. Is it legal? Number? Is it ethical? That's your call. Developers work months on these games and get zero money from piracy. Are there consequences? Sometimes. Some people use it for years without issues. Others get caught. It's a gamble. My honest take? Fitgirl Repacks is real, it works, but it's piracy. I'm not recommending it, but I'm not preaching either. Know what you're doing. Know the risks, legal, ethical, and technical. If you can afford games, buy them. If money's tight, there are legal alternatives like Game Pass for $10 a month with thousands of games. But that's your choice to make. Drop a comment. What's your take on game piracy? Like and subscribe for honest reviews. Thanks for watching.